Okay, friends. Happy morning. Happy to all. Happy to have this wonderful session on alternative to Zoom. First of all, people may ask me, why are you going for alternative to Zoom? The first reason for me is to not about the security. It is about to learn something new. And also, people may used to ask me, what is the purpose of giving these kind of free webinar session? It is just for if the bottle is empty only, you can fill, you can refill some more water. So I just want to learn and unlearn and relearn. So that I just want to share the information which I got in my own self-learning experience. I just want to share with you guys. That's a second reason which I want to share these details. And the third one, most of the people are using Zoom only in this lockdown period. And last 10 days back, we got information from our government that we have some security issue. For those people, I just want you to visit my Facebook page, Tamila Karthik. Yesterday, by the same time, we had a program on Zoom security. Zoom application la enna மாதிரியான securities measures நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும், அது என்னெல்லாம் நமக்கு சூட் ஆகும், எதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம், எதெல்லாம் பண்ணா எந்த ஆப்ஷன்ல எனேபிள் பண்ணலாம், வாட் யூல் கெட் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரியான total 1.5 hour session yesterday we had, and you can listen the video in my Facebook page. So all those options, if you start applying, definitely it will be a rocking experience. Because in Zoom application, I really admire that we have a high secure that only a registered participants will be able to join. Let me give a short example. For example, I'm conducting a program, paid program for 25 participants, and I'm sharing the password and ID to all the 25 participants. People who have the ID and password will be able to join my session, right? So if any one of those 25 people, if they share that particular username and password to other people, they'll be also to join. We can't restrict what to do. So for that, we have an option in the schedule in the Zoom application. We'll be having a registration record. In that, you'll be able to go for pay only approved registration people will be able to join. That is a option which we were discussed yesterday. The purpose of today's session is to learn and to know what are all the existing applications, webinar applications are available similar to Zoom application. Let us get into the session directly. So probably the same application which I'm here to share, you might have known already, you might have experienced it already. Anyway, I just want to share little detail about all. Can say we are going to see about around 9 to 10 applications, like same like Zoom. We are going to learn, or we are going to know 10 similar applications. So this is about today's session. Myself, Tamila Karthik. Being a placement coach, I have trained more than 1.8 lakh students on interview skills. Being an activity-based coaching, that is my USP, unique selling point of organizing more than 10 plus train the trainer event and much more training to corporates. That is my prime training programs. And we used to conduct a lot of webinars on CRM, most of the business related titles, and DMM, digital management and marketing, and PYP, power your presentation. So I'm the member of Nigel Foundation, Panchkurkulam, and JCI Tirthangal, and also the member of Computer Dealer Association. I'm also a zone trainer in JCI India. So the first alternative which I want to share with you guys is our own Indian product, which is nothing but Zoho. So people will be aware of this Zoho application. What I really wanted to share in this forum is, before lockdown period, they had some pricing for this Zoho meeting. But during this lockdown period, we really need to give a wonderful hats up to these people who are made in India, who are giving totally free of cost till June 1st. As of now, they have launched till June 1st. We can able to use all the Zoho Prime feature for free of cost. This is a information which I learned through my search. So what you can do is you just need to go for your browser and type Zoho there you'll be having some, you can't find it in Zoho website. You need to go on Zoho remotely. ZOHO REMOTELY. Let me share my screen. So this is a website, Zoho Remotely, REMOTELY. So in this Zoho Remotely website, what you can get is, it is not just webinar application. It is not just a meeting application. They are having lot of methods. Side by side, I'm getting some chats. Let also, how are you sharing the screen, sir? Sujit, this share screen options I have explained in my previous Zoom application training. At the end of the session, I'll send you the link where you can learn about Zoom application. This training is not about Zoom. It is about alternative to Zoom. So let us focus on the session. During the session, if you have any other doubts like this, you can post me in the chat box. So what they are having is this much of application, which they are using for, which they are selling for around 1,20,000 per month. They are giving it free of cost for these 4 months. Really, it is very happy to hear this news. Like a meeting is nothing but a webinar, and meeting is nothing but online meeting. Short time is nothing but a live training program, which you can show your timing, show your presentation, all those things to your people. And work drive projects, these are all the applications which you can do if you are an IT person, where you are working from home. Utilize this option. Definitely it will help you a lot. And this sheet and writer is nothing but the replacement of MS Office and Google spreadsheet. So this show is nothing but the last one, SHO is nothing but presentation, whatever we are having in MS PPT. So this whole access you can get in the one single platform. What is the advantage of being, what is the advantage of using Zoho rather Zoom is, first one is this is our Indian product, and second one is the bandwidth which they are using is really good. When we are checking with some 50 people, it was fine. When you are checking with some other input of Zoho, you just need to use your mail ID to create an account, and people are confusing with meeting and webinars. Totally, there is a difference meaning about a meeting and about a webinar. So most of the time, whenever as a JCs, as a Lions, as a Rotary people, we are organizing these kind of webinars in our own people, we are accessing Zoom meeting. It is not a webinar. So in meeting, there is the different options are there. So try to utilize the webinar concept in this Zoho. So what you can do is all the options whichever we are having in Zoom, the same word, the same phrase they are using in Zoho also. So you can simply click on the my meeting or my webinar, and you can simply go with your own detail, whatever you are going to do. Whether if it is a meeting, you can schedule a meeting, or you can just host a meeting. Whatever we are doing in Zoom application, it is same in Zoho also. The same word they have used, so you can simply go and check it in the Zoom application. What I found, the new information which we are missing in Zoho, which we are missing in Zoho is I can say it is a huge disadvantage in Zoho. The reason, if I say this, you may not be using Zoho. I feel like that, because what happened is in Zoho, you can able to share the screen as I was doing now. நம்ம இப்ப ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணோம்ல, ஒரு பிபிடியோ ஒரு ப்ரௌசரையோ ஷேர் பண்றோம்ல, அதே மாதிரி ஜோகோல நம்மளால பண்ண முடியும். பட் என்ன பிரச்சனை இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, அதுல நீங்க ஒரு வீடியோ வச்சிருக்கீங்க உங்ககிட்ட, இன் யுவர் லேப்டாப் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் எ வீடியோ. அந்த வீடியோவை நம்ம பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, இட் வில் நாட் பி ஏபிள் டு ஷேர் த ஸ்கிரீன், ஷேர் அ சவுண்ட். அந்த வீடியோட ஸ்கிரீன் மட்டும்தான் எல்லாருக்குமே ஷேர் ஆகுமே தவிர அதோட சவுண்ட் வந்து ஷேர் ஆகாது. இது வந்து பிக்கஸ்ட் டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ்னு சொல்லலாம். இல்லைன்னா ஏன் அதை அவங்க ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க தெரியல. ஐ மெயில்ட் தம் அண்ட் அது இந்த சப்போர்ட் டெஸ்க் I got a mail back that they are working with that process and they are yet to develop or yet to update. So this option, so நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா உங்களோட let me go only in English as I'm getting some text. Thanks for reminding. So what you can do is in Zoho, if you are using for a training program or if you are using for just a sharing of information, you can simply go for Zoho without, if you don't have any video to present to your participants. But it is really a good one to use to interact with the people. You can check it over there. So let me show you the another options where we are having in Zoho, and webinar option. Just try to utilize in what is the advantage of webinar in Zoho is like even in Zoom application, if some people are asking questions, means they'll be keep on posting the questions in the chat box. Will be tough to identify which questions they are posting. So in Zoho, separately they are having a question answer platform in webinar method. In the webinar method, you can simply see the questions of whatever they are asking. So that is the other advantage. And the second product which I want to show you is this is also an Indian company. They are based out Bangalore, I guess. So this AIRMeet, AIRMEET. What is the major advantage which I don't say it is advantage. What is the business methodology I saw with these people are they don't have they are using only for beta version. I hope you know what is beta version. It is like they are launching right away. What they are planning is, if you want to know about AIRMeet, you just need to book a demo and they'll be giving you a slot. In that slot only you can able to go and participate or go and attend the meeting. So that meeting will be like they'll be explaining total AIRMeet concept and you need to learn from their end. After the learning process, they'll be giving you free of account. The total account will be free of cost. You don't need to pay anything for that free account, but you need to attend that particular 2 hours of training. I have attended the program and I can say it is totally alternative to Zoom. All the options whatever we are having in Zoom, they are having in AIRMeet also. Like same like raise hand and mute all and share screen and live, all those options they are having in AIRMeet. But we don't still they didn't allocate or they didn't announce what is the commercial they are going to launch. I'm not sure about that. But while talking about the professionalism of their discussion, their explanation, their all these things are marvelous. Definitely they'll be rock the floor, I'm sure. So this option, when you try, just go to the website of airmeet.com and book a demo, and you'll be getting a mail, and in that mail you'll be having a link for joining the meeting, and try to join the meeting and learn for 2 hours, so that they'll be giving you the options. And some of the options which we don't have in Zoom also they are giving in AIRMeet. Like you can divide in. We used to have a training program. We'll be having brainstorming, right? So we can able to divide the participants 4, 4, 4, 4 like virtual table. So those 4 people will be discussing like that. If they are splitting, that is a option which I admire in their options. So you can even try those things. And what I feel about AIRMeet is definitely they'll be coming in 1 or 2 months. They'll be in the floor, but I'm sad to say many people are using this application only in this lockdown period. I don't think so. If the lockdown period are released, they'll be keep on learning or they'll be start earning in webinars or not. I don't know. But as a trainer, I can say the next generation of learning or next generation of earning is towards online. That too, specifically online training and online learning. So you just need to keep on try all these alternatives. The reason I'm not explaining about one particular option is for particular reasons we will be avoiding some particular applications. So that I want to share a number of application which I came across. So you can select among this which is suitable for you, because even though we have 5 fingers, it is not same in size, right? So the next option which I was coming through is before that, I just want to share one small information that if you are hosting a program, if you are a trainer, if you are a teacher, if you want to host a program, you can contact me or Tamilarasan in the program. So me and their MC teams are working together, and we are hosting the program on behalf of you. We have some 7 paid version in Zoom application, 3 paid versions in another application. So we'll be giving you total hosting. You can also get a rent from us. So for this purpose, you can reach us. Even we'll be giving the ID, and Tamilarasan or their team will be taking care of online event anchoring. That will be definitely useful for you. This is just a information which I want to share. And another added website which I came across is, I'm getting some chat box. Okay, noted, Sujit. So freeconferencecall.com is a website. When I saw this website, I came with an example, or a Tamil serial. What they were doing is they were having a hotel. In that hotel, you can come and eat anything, whatever you want. While returning from the hotel, you can pay what you want to pay. It is not for the food. It is from your hand. Whatever you want to pay, you can pay them. Like that methodology they are having in freeconferencecall.com website. So that total concept is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything for hosting a meeting or joining a meeting. You don't need to pay anything. But if you want to contribute, you can contribute in their website. I just contributed a $4. These kind of as a business person, whenever I'm seeing some uh, uh, please give me a second. Give me a second. I'm having an alternative webinar purpose. I need to. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. So parallelly, I was hosting another program. I had my staff in my office. So just now he went somewhere. That's why. Sorry for that. So in this free conference call website, what is the most of the options are the same in hosting. What is the main unique application or unique methodology which they are having is in Zoom or in Zoho or in AirMeet. If you want to conduct a training program, you should need to download a application in your laptop or in the mobile. Am I right? But in this free conference call website, you don't need to download any applications. You don't need to even sorry, for hosting you need to download a application. For joining a meeting, like if you are having a client of 30 participants, those 30 participants no need to download any application. Simply by clicking the link in their website or which is coming from the generation, say they can simply click on the link through their browser of Google Chrome. Directly they can join the meeting. That is a wonderful options which I saw in this particular method. So this is the screen for this free conference call webinar. So the same options like muting, video on off, inviting the people, share screen, recording, attendees, chat, all the options are same. But as I said earlier, this Q&A option is really a new one which I saw there. In any other application, did you saw this Q&A option? Can anyone post? getting only 2-3 answers. Okay, so in Q&A, like whenever we are having a training program in webinars, the people will be keep on saying about their feedbacks or their sharing in the chat box. There, if you have a Q&A, there if some people are sending question and answer, it is tough to like go through. So that in these kind of application, if you are having a short people or of using this webinars, you can prefer this website and you can have separately Q&A. But in Zoom itself, in webinar option, in the advanced one of business model, you'll be having this Q&A options. And this is another website which I came across. It is nothing but GoToMeeting. In this GoToMeeting, this is also like same like Zoho. The ordered information which I can tell you here is in the free 14 days they are giving for free of cost. In this 14 days, you can host the meeting till 251 members. See, if you talk about Zoom application, in free application, we are having 100 limitation of 100 people, that too limitation of 40 minutes, right? In this GoToMeeting, we have a limitation of 251 and we don't have any time limitation. The program will not be disconnected during the this 40 minutes or 1 hour, because we usually conduct a training program for 3 hours. Even if you are taking for 1 hour, I don't think that is a training program. Anyway, as this is a webinar or like virtual learning, we can have session for only 1 hour. But still, this Zoom kind of application in free version, they are disconnecting the meeting by 40 minutes. Even for some of my friends, I used to say, I gave an idea that just to create a Zoom application and host 3 programs and just create another mail ID, and in that mail ID launch 3 Zoom application, the meeting will not get end. This is just for a suggestion I gave them, because for each ID, first 3 meeting they are giving for total n number of time. But as you are doing that as a business or for your profession, don't worry to pay just $14.99 to Zoom application. I'm not a marketing executive for Zoom or Zogo or for Airmeet or anything. Just want to share my knowledge. So what I can say, just it is $15 per month for unlimited time for 100 participants. So you can prefer those. And in this GoToMeeting, what you can see is the same mute all option, unmute all options, and the share screen, camera, mic, all those things are there. You can even easily utilize this. The same meeting ID, like it will be automatically generated. But whereas in like here in free conference call, the meeting ID will be your own name. For example, I can send the meeting ID like join.freeconferencecall.com/Tamila Karthik. That's all my meeting ID. So simply by clicking that, you can join my meeting. So they don't need to remember a meeting ID or anything. They can just log in with your name. Anyway, whatever the login today you have done for this program, that meeting ID is nothing but it is my phone number, 9948279227. So in paid version in Zoom, what they are having, you are able to even edit the meeting ID, or you can have your own meeting ID. So that is a added information. So we talked about GoTo, and let us go for Webinar Jam. Same like Webinar Jam, I founded 4 websites. Same what I can say, what the terminology word they will be using technically is same outline, same method, same amount. The amount may be different in $50 or $30, but the same concept. I'll tell you the name of those websites also. What is the model of those business are we called as a white label concept. So the white label means, for example, we are having a Redbus. You know about Redbus, right? In the Redbus, for example, if I am running a travel agency, yes, of course, we are running a travel agency named eWay Tickets. So if I want my customer to book bus ticket in my website, I just need to purchase this Redbus API we need to apply. It is nothing but application. We need to purchase this Redbus application, and I can easily integrate in my website, and I can start marketing. So that whatever you are seeing in Redbus website, the same thing you'll be seeing in my travel agency eWay Tickets website. But the one thing is the name will be replaced from Redbus to eWay Tickets. So that we call it as API. So these kind of websites, people, they are providing you the API link. So by simply purchasing the API link by the paid version, if you integrate it in your own website, or your website instead of this Webinar Jam, or my own company, Tamil Academy, will be displaying. So you can even start promoting. Like if they are giving you for $500, you can go for $5-10 and you can start giving. It is just a business idea which I can tell. So people may not be understanding whether we are purchasing or we are having our own server or we are having a concept or things. So this I just want to share you. So here, if you talk about this Webinar Jam, they are giving for 500 attendance. Only if you are using for any of your professional purpose, you can take this. So most of the time we'll be using for somewhat around 50 or 60 participants, so you can skip that. And this we are talking about the another application which I came across is Cisco. This application, what is the advantage? This is also a wonderful thing which I can say, which I really satisfy my most of my needs. So this Cisco WebEx are having a web application and also mobile application where you'll be able to do all the tasks whatever we are doing in the basic webinar concept. You can record, you can share your screen, you can chat, you can see the attendees, you can mute and unmute. All the options are available. And even like in Zoho, we missed the part that the video's audio will not be heard. So here in this WebEx Cisco, you can able to share your video with your participants also. For doing that, you can simply click on the share button, which is over here, this one. By clicking on this share option, you can simply go for optimize to text or image. Instead of this optimize for text and image, you can go for optimize for motion and videos. If you select this option and if you select the particular video or the total screen, the video will be playing. All the menu, you can have the same option in like to mute the participants, to unmute, to mute on entry, all these options you can try it out. So this extra option, assign privilege, is I found which we don't have in other. I can't say we don't have in another webinar. I can say as of I know, this is the only application where I found this assign privilege. So what I can do is I can assign a privilege to some other participants to do lot of tasks like collecting the participants list, collecting the data of the participants, collecting the chat box, chat details, collecting the poll questions. All the privilege we can assign to the participants. But whereas in Zoom or Zoho, we can give some little privilege, like we can simply ask them to record the video, nothing else. But if you make them as a host or co-host, they can do all the tasks. But here they are not doing in such manner. Simply you can assign that particular privilege alone. For that you can click on Control K or use in assign privileges. And same options, locking meeting and lock meeting, in my group I have only 30 participants to join. Means after that 30 participants have joined the meeting, we can lock the meeting so that the next participant will not be able to join. That is the option which we are having in all the webinars. But this another option I found it new in Cisco WebEx. What is that? Is notes. Here, this notes. I think it is visible for you. So what you can do is in this notes, the purpose of this notes is, for example, the most of the purpose we are conducting this program only for training programs or learning purpose. So during the learning purpose, we always keep a paper and pen. Instead of that, you can simply click on this notes. Here in this, it is really nice to know, like that I have typed. So during the session, we can type whatever we are learning in the session. So that will be automatically, at the end of the session, that will be automatically stored as a text file in your own laptop desktop screen. So that is a wonderful option, which really as a learner, we can use it. So this note applications. And the another option which I can find somewhat different in this WebEx Cisco is you can customize your welcome message. Like whenever your participants are joining and you are yet to start the program, instead of simply waiting for host to start the meeting, you will be having any customized message, whichever we are having in the welcome box that I want to give you. So till then, if you have any doubts or any clarification, you can post in the chat box. I don't get any other message. Yes, sir. Welcome. So people are asking the slide on that content. Anyway, you just post your mail ID in this chat box. I'll send you the total slide, and you can see all the websites. Even we are going to see some more 3-4 webinar applications. You can post your mail ID in the chat box. We'll be sending you the total detail. Sujit, about the encryption, we'll talk. So I just want to have I want to share information that our team are hosting a program on Power Your Presentation in Zoho by 27th of April. It is just a 150 rupees investment where you can learn a 2 hours training program where you will be learning how to present, how to prepare a presentation, PowerPoint presentation, all those things. You can learn. If you want, you can register with us or with MC Tamil Arasan. So the viewers who are viewing this program in Facebook Live, you can post your command, or if you want to know about this registration, you can post in the command box. We'll come and check that and we'll contact you. So these are all the websites which we can use. Like GoToMeeting, we have discussed. Skype for Business, I can say it is like closed to people, like only 50 people allowed, I guess, in the free. So if you are having like spoken English class or spoken Hindi class for a closed people or a small group of audience, you can go for Skype for Business. This Meet VIO is the webinar website. All the options, whatever we are having in Zoom, they are having also in Zoho, they are having in the Meet VIO also. The methodology, marketing methodology, what they are having is in the launch period. They have launched just 3 years ago, I guess. So till they are having a launching offer that you need to pay just $70, $70 for the lifetime access. You don't need to pay anything monthly or yearly, because in Zoho all the webinar applications you need to pay monthly or yearly. In GoToMeeting, they are giving just 14 days. They are giving for free of cost. After that, you need to pay somehow. So you can go for that Meet VIO. If you really want to have a paid version of webinars, you can prefer this Meet VIO. And this Ever Webinar Jam, and all these two are I can say similar one. And the Google Hangouts, I can say, if it is like same for Skype for Business, you can go for Google product. It's free of cost, but it is having a limited numbers. And Microsoft Team, I don't have any experience, I can say. I tried it once, but it was saying that only for schools they are giving for free of cost. So webinars, they are, if you are running a school, if you are having an institute, you can register in the Microsoft Team, where you'll be having totally all the concepts will be free of cost. You can check it out. This tasklms.in is nothing but it is our own webinar and also LMS website, which we are yet to launch. It is in the developing process. We have launched the concept on our Tamila group of companies anniversary on April 14th. So we are in the testing mode. Within 10 days, we'll be launching this one. And here, what is the purpose is, like you may have heard about Udemy, Coursera, all those learning management system applications. So in this Task LMS, we are going to combine this learning management concept and also this webinar concept into a single platform. This is our website, which we are developing. If you are a learner, you can just go onto our website, and I'll give you the link in the chat box. you can, if you are a learner, you can just subscribe your name in the subscription box, or if you want to give a training to the people, you can simply register yourself in the website for giving training. We can have a collaboration, and we'll be having a 70-30 model where 70% for the trainer, 30% for the website. We are like that. We can able to discuss. And as I said, the next generation is totally going to for like online generation. Like what I can say is online learning. We are moving into online learning. So definitely this kind of process of learning or yearning will definitely rock the floor. So let me share the link in the chat box to register for this thing. In the meanwhile, if you have doubts, you can post me here. So I'm really happy to have all you here. So in this short notice, even today morning only, I promoted this program. Yesterday morning only, I thought to share this information. So within this short time, I have prepared and I deliver what I just can, and hope this information I have used to you in some manner. If you have any doubts, you can reach me. You can keep in touch with me in my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube pages, or in my personal WhatsApp numbers. Thank you all. Any questions, or the floor is for the discussion? You can unmute yourself and you can talk.
Hi Karthik, the session was really interesting and useful. Thanks a lot for this opportunity.
Sorry, sir, I was I switched off the speaker. Can you please repeat it? Pardon.
Karthik, it was a very
now
interesting and it was a very interesting and useful session. I missed this session. Sorry for that.
No problem. I'll send you the link of my Facebook page. You can see the whole recorded session video in my page.
Sure, Karthik. Sure, Karthik. Thank you.
Thank you. Sagare sir, thanks for the text. You can even unmute and talk. Vijay Mitra sir, I'm expecting your words. Sir, you're live, sir. You're audible. Okay, who is ready?